Hey guys, how's it going? It's Austin with Maglock. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing as well as an installation of the Maglock Air onto an impact helmet. So first thing to get inside is we will cut the seal, open her up, and the first thing you're going to see is the installation and user guide. So inside of here goes over all the components that are inside of the kit, as well as a few steps on how to install your Maglock Air, as well as a cell phone sticker and a die cut sticker we also include. Let's get that guy set aside. We'll get into the kit. First thing here is the dust cap. This is what you will be using if you're storing your helmet, not using it, don't have your air system hooked up, or you're out go-karting with your buddies. Put this over the helmet side, keeps it sealed, keeps the dust out, hence the name of the dust cap. Then underneath that, you have a little tool baggie here. Inside there is your Allen key as well as some extra hardware that you might need later in the future, so keep that around. And then underneath that, we have the visor decal. Goes on the helmet, goes on your shield, looks cool, works good. Next to that, we have the helmet side maglock as well as the hose side maglock. So we'll pull those out. You can tell that it is the hose side maglock by the logo that's on it, pad printed on it. Got a clamp on the back of it. That goes on your helmet side barb. Hose side looks like that. Screws onto your hose. We recommend you put a 1-inch bead of silicone when you install it onto your air hose. That way it keeps it on there, keeps it airtight, and keeps it from backing off later in the future. Just like that. There's your hose side maglock. And then last but not least is the roof duct. So that's everything that comes inside the Maglock Air Kit. Now we'll move on to the installation. All right, so now we're gonna move on to installing the Maglock Air onto a helmet. For this demonstration, we have an impact helmet with a 3/4 barb on it. It's a good thing to note is that the Maglock Air fits any standard 1.25" barb. If your barb looks like this, the Maglock Air will fit it perfectly. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the helmet side maglock and loosen up the Allen screws. Here I'm using a 1.5 Allen. There's also an Allen for these screws included into your toolkit. So we'll loosen this up. Once the clamp's loose, slide it onto the barb, press it on firmly till it bottoms out all the way. Once it's on firmly, we're gonna go ahead and snug up these screws just till they bottom out. So we tighten up this side. And then we're tighten up this side. And then once it's bottomed out, we're gonna go ahead and give it one additional turn, like that. Doesn't need to be crazy tight. And now you're ready to go. So now that your helmet side maglock's installed onto the helmet, we can now place a dust cap. In this instance, we're not gonna be using it right now. So we'll just place a dust cap right over it, seal it up, set this aside. So first thing we wanna do is we wanna remove the standard end that's on the air hose. Set that aside. Then we'll take our Maglock Air hose side and we can now screw this onto the air hose. One pro tip before we do this is we want to put a 1-inch bead of silicone, clear silicone onto here. That'll help keep the seal airtight as well as keep the hose side from backing off the air hose. Then what we'll do is we'll just screw this back on and your hose side's ready to go. So the roof duct locates your air hose when it's not in use. What you want to do is you want to mount it within reach of the driver from the driver's seat. What you'll do is find a location where you want it to mount, peel the backing off, and then stick it to its desired location. And now you can dock your hose right to your roof. In certain instances, the double-sided tape isn't an option. We also include a threaded insert built into the dock, as well as an extra Allen screw so you can drill and mount it to your desired location. Hey, thanks for watching the installation video of Maglock Air onto an impact helmet. For more information and for new products, you can check out our website, maglock.com. Also, be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And hey, if you like what you see, consider subscribing. Thanks.